Kuleshwar and also Sanatan Goswami's Bhajan Kutri. And we are sitting by the bank of Mansi Ganga. It's a very beautiful place here. This place is called Tarangar. Which Ghat? Tarangar Ghat. Tarangar Ghat. You see it? Okay. During the Krishna Leela, this Mansi Leela was very near. Gurudev used to say that the Mansi Ganga submerged with the Ganga. We've just had Mansi Ganga's darshan, but actually it is Mansi Devi. Why did the Mansi Ganga? Why is the name Mansi? Because she manifested from the mind of Krishna. Didi, thoda aage ka so she can sit. Translation. She doesn't. Translation. Everyone, used to take a bath in the Ganga. So the Vrajvasi said to Krishna, "Chalo, let's go to they have a snan in Ganga." So Krishna said, "Oh, this Ganga is so far away from here. There's only so many trees. The trees and the road was full of trees and the thorns, and it was very, very difficult for the Vrajvasis to go to Ganga and have snan." So Krishna said that Charnamrita from my the water washed from my lotus feet is the Ganga. They want to take. So Krishna in the mind, he's thinking the Vrajvasis want to go ahead and have a bath in the Ganga. So, and also I don't want to give them any difficult. So why? So what did Krishna told Vrajvasis? He said, Vrajvasis, why do you want to go that far? In Vraj we got everything here. Yeah. Our Vrajvasis. Why should he go so far away to Ganga? Everything is Vrajvasis. So the Vrajvasis is, where is Ganga here? So Krishna said, look there, Ganga is coming. In this man, with Krishna's mind, this Ganga manifested. That's why the name is Mansanga. That's what the name is, Mansi Ganga. Because Ganga manifested from Krishna's mind. This manifested from the Krishna's mind. And gopis, there are many leelas Krishna did here with gopis. There was, where we start the Govardhan Parikram. Dan Gati, that's where we normally start the Parikrama. Jai. So that road was very narrow. So you had to pass through this Ganga. This is a very big place. This is a very special place. Krishna did many leelas here. And one day Sanatan Goswami used to sit here, and also Shivji is also here. Shivji resides here as well. So Shivji, when Sanatan Goswami was doing his bhajan, the mosquitoes used to trouble him a lot. So Sanatan Goswami thought, let me leave this place and find another place, because the mosquitoes were always troubling him. So Shivji said, Lord Shivaji said, don't leave me here. Don't go away from here. So what I will do, I will arrange for you that all these mosquitoes will go away. And now also today, so then no mosquitoes used to reside here. Even today, if you even now today there's no mosquitoes, you have to stay here. Then you would realize there's no mosquito. Here Katha. What is the speciality of this place? On the other side of the Ganga, on the other side of Ganga. For the pleasure of Krishna and Balram, they were doing the yagna. There was Bhaguri Rishi was doing yagna. And that time, at the Purinamasi, and today is a very auspicious day. If you donate ghee, dahi today, then you will have so much wealth, wealth. That was everybody was donating ghee to Bhaguri Rishi's yagna, some ghee and some yogurt. Then Vrajvasiyas was all the Sakhis and Radha. And Radha came here with all the Sakhis. That Radhaji, she was going to sell the ghee. Actually, Gurudev used to condemn that. Are, who is Vrishabhanu Radhika? Who's the toenails is so effulgent, and what she would go and sell dahi to Mathura. Gurudev used to condemn that and said that is not true. Gurudev used to say it's true. Other people don't understand. So Radha or Lalita, Vishaka, all the Sakhis, they used to gather here. They came here, and this because the desires of Bhagwan, this Mansi was full of water. There was like so much waves. So the gopis started to think, how we'll be able to cross this Ganga. Krishna is. There was not a single boat here, so they were wondering how will they cross this Ganga. And on the other side of the bank, they saw one boat, which was a like broken boat with holes. There was a nawale, like a boatman. Krishna, dressed like a boatman, was sitting on the boat and he was snoring. And the gopis started to shout, "Hey boatman! Hey nawale! Hey boatman!" हाँ जी. He said, हाँ जी. And then I'll tell him this gopi. He said, what? How much does this gopi weigh? Are he's he said, now wale. Krishna said, hey, why you? I'm working all day and I'm tired and you don't let me sleep even for a little while. Are, what do you want to do? Why are you shouting? And he said, listen, boatman, our time is passing by. We have to take yogurt on time there. He said, now Allah said, listen, please. And then the gopi said, oh, boatman, please come here very quickly. So after a lot of persuasion from the gopis, then the boatman, who is Krishna, came at the bank. Jai. And the Radha Rani ki jai. See? So the Krishna's boat came here. And then he said, I'll cross. So he said, oh, okay, you want me to cross you across the river, but I'll need some money. You have to do pranami. If you don't do pranam, then you don't get nothing. Jai. In our boat, first of all, I cannot take a lot of weight. For most I can take is, I can take 5 people. And not more than that. 5 man. There is a scale there, let's weigh them. Dharma cutter. You think Krishna got Dharma cutter? अरे very big. Krishna said, okay, don't worry. I will lift one gopi and see how much one weighs. One lift. I will lift one gopi, and then how much kilos that gopi weighs. Arey! Get up! How will you weigh this? This is a fat gopi. About 100 kilos. Chaman. Now he is a big gopi. He is a big gopi. अरे तू भी हे साड़ा पण ही साड़ा 4 month. What is how much is 1 month? Maharaj ki jai. So he said, okay. Let me tell you one thing. Anna. Sona. So he's saying, if I pass one gopi, Sola Anna. So if I am going to cross Radhika, then I want Sola Anna. 16 Anna. 25 paisa. 16. Now we don't have the Anna currency. ये गोपी अच्छा है. Then gopi is good. Gopi is of coronavirus. देखो हमारे गांव में नाव में जो है केवल एक गोपी तो जाएगी. In my boat, this big gopi, there only one gopi can go. Okay, chalo, I'll take 2 gopis. 4:30, 4.5. 4.5. 50 kilo. 50 kilo. This is Sarakunta. 50. But the units they're using is not like kilogram, it's some other units. So he said, oh, I'll take 2 gopis one time. So he said, oh, who will go first? Oh, this is Radha and Lalita. So it's your 2 gopis. They sat down on the boat. They took 2 gopis. Then the manjaris will. Daddy. He's got a beard, so he cannot be manjari. He's got a beard, so he cannot be manjari. Oh dear. Oh, Uttam has also got a beard. Daddy nahi hai. He hasn't got daddy. He hasn't got beard. Come on. So also Manjaris have to go if Radha is going to go. So he's taken 3 or 4 gopis. So he said, then, so the boat started rowing. He started to row, and purposely he started to rock the boat. And then the gopis are saying, if you keep on moving the boat this way and that way, then what will be the state of us? So once you have a darshan of Krishna, and then that's it, your body would be move here and there. I told you before, this is 4.4. Kitna kilo? Oh, 70 kilo. 60 kilo. So Krishna was started to purposely move the boat here and there, up and down. So I told you, you gopis, I told you from before that you've seen Navadip. In Navadip, who has done parikrama? Then, a big, great bunch. In the one boat, we will all go. So Krishna is saying, "Oh, gopis, you didn't listen to me." So he said, "What can I do now? There's holes in our boat. In my boat, there's holes as well." So he said, "Do one thing to lessen your weight. Let's put less weight. So what we do, the doodh and the dahi is throw them away in the Ganga. Then the weight will get less. Then you're wearing ornaments. That ornaments are heavy. That's less. So if you go down, Vrajvasis, the Vrajvasis, they have ankle bell. Those really fat, those fat ankle bells they wear. It's really heavy. In the ears, they wear ornaments, ears, and also bangles in their arms, in their hands. So remove all the ornaments. And then still purposely started to move the boat to and fro. Then he said, "What should I do? Oh, now you're wearing more beautiful glasses. Take your clothes off as well." One Bihari. What did the Yogmaya do? By the desire of Bhagwan's Icha? Island. And in the middle of the river, an island manifested. So, in the Leela, and then Krishna did many different Leelas here with the gopis. Govardhan. All the Leelas that happen here. Uttam Jatri Vanda. This Giriraj Govardhan is Swarup of Krishna. We are not just joking. We are not joking. It's not laughing. I'm telling these gopis 430 man. Bihari Lal ki jai. This is there are Paranga Rang. And the Vrajavasis give some donation here. Bihari Lal ki jai.